everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date with all my videos and when they're posted. For today's video, I'm talking about the hair I have in my head right now. This is Kendra's Boutique Hair. This company right here is bomb. Let me just tell you guys, it's bomb. I have purchase hair from other companies, but like I said, I was looking for a new hair company to try out, and my friend who recommended this company, they order her products every time, no matter deep wave, body wave, no matter what texture, they love it, all that kind of stuff. But I'm about to get into all that, so yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. I have a couple bullet points that I'm gonna refer to going throughout this video on the hair. So just to get into the specs, this hair, first and foremost, can hold a curl for days, like maybe even pushing a week and some change. This hair can hold a curl. I don't use anything fancy. I just went out before I bought the hair. I bought a flat iron and a curling iron from TJ Maxx. They of course weren't too pricey. If you want to know which one I bought, it was like a 3-in-1 wand curler, so that was cool. This hair can hold a curl like nobody else's business. Like, I love that about this hair. I do not get a lot of frizz. Like, I don't know, this hair doesn't like frizz up or anything. Like, you go outside after you curl it and it'll boof up. No, you don't have any issues with that hair. Oh, and I didn't state earlier, but this is Brazilian virgin hair. It is, they're claiming it to be human hair, human virgin hair, 100%. That's what this is in my head. The hair came in like a natural brown. And I would have to say the color was the same all the way throughout each bundle. I didn't have any issues with like noticing re-dyed hair. I do know some people do have an issue with that, like getting different color strands, and it looked like the company maybe re-dyed it, but the bundles I received, I did not experience any of that, so that's good. This hair is true to length. It actually might be a tad longer. I'm not sure because I didn't actually measure it, but the hair company I got before, the longest length I got was a 22. This, like I said, I got 2.5 bundles of 24, but I didn't end up putting all 3 in my head because I just put them too much. This is a 24, and I will show you in a sec what the length was. But my last, like I said, last length of hair I got was a 22, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go a little bit longer, and it was about like right here. It stopped about like mid boob, maybe went a little bit past my boob. And that was a 22. This, guys, the longest length in my head right now is a 24-inch, and it goes to my hip. Like, this hair is crazy long. Like, look, crazy long. Like, to my butt long. Like, if this hair was straightened, crazy long. I was not expecting this hair to be this long at all. Okay, another spec of this hair is the thickness. Y'all, when I tell you this hair is like really thick, no matter if it's long curled, if it's straight, if I just washed and let it air dry, if it's been a couple days and I've had long curls, this hair is thick. And that's what I wanted. Like, I feel like that's what any person wants when they get hair. They don't want no thin, looking like it's been a couple years you've had the hair in. But y'all, this hair is very, very, very thick, and I love it. I got a couple 24s just to make the ends look even thicker. Like, I mean, of course it's not gonna be as thick as the top of your head, but y'all, like, no lie, like, this hair is so thick and just lovely. This hair is very, very, very soft. Like, I just washed my hair, maybe 2 days ago. For the sake of the video, I put some long curls in my hair. And after I washed my hair, soft as can be. In other words, this hair is just really soft and silky. I do not get any tangling whatsoever. I can do this with my hair all day and I wouldn't get any tangling. Actually, let me back up. I had to do a little work with the hair, so now I don't get any tingling. But it was nothing like extreme, like nothing in the nape or like anything like that. Because guys, I work out every day, like hard workouts every day, and I'll put my hair in a ponytail. And you know, sometimes when you take it out, you gotta like really like brush out like where you had the ponytail holder at. But no, like none of that. Like this hair does not tangle at all. I did have some issue though with the ends. The ends were kind of dry. I would put the serum in my hair probably like at night before I go to bed and just like brush that all the way throughout my head. It wouldn't be nothing like too thick or too oily, just to make sure my ends were like, you know, being protected, because this is human hair. If your ends are dry, your hair tends to be a little bit more tangly. So at the ends, they were a tad dry, but I fixed that with my oil and serum. Shedding. This hair does not shed excessively. Like, only time I notice I will lose a couple strands is either when I'm styling my hair or when I'm brushing it. And I have my brush I actually got when I received the hair for the Black Friday deal. I received this hairbrush. It was supposed to be kind of special because it's all bedazzled, but the bedazzles ain't staying. But it ain't, this isn't a review on the hairbrush. It's whatever. It's a cool hairbrush. Anywho, yeah, I have not cleaned out this brush since I've gotten my hair done. And like, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a couple strands in this hairbrush. Like, hardly anything at all. And I can show you guys again that there is no tangling on camera, so you know I ain't lying or whatever. Yeah, it's an easy brush. Like, I hardly have any hair strands in the hair. You will not be like brushing your hair and then notice all this like shedding on the floor. No, this isn't the type of hair. I have no complaints. Only complaint I did have was about the ends tangling up a little bit, but after I put some of that oil, like I said, stop that. There's one other thing I would like to say about the hair is their closures. I am very satisfied with the closure I received, only because like the other company I would purchase hair from, their closures did not last me. Like, I could wear it one install, and I would notice a little balding in my closure, and I couldn't wear it again. This closure, from the jump, I could tell how thick it was, and like, I don't really know much about how they make the hair or whatever, but like, it just, the closure part, the lace of the closure just felt more thicker and like more durable. I don't know how to say it. The quality of this closure was better than my other company I ordered from. The person who told me about this company, she says she doesn't know why my closures are only lasting one use. She's like, maybe you're being too rough on them. I'm like, maybe because I'm an athlete and I work out a lot. Maybe that's it, but I'm not sure. She said her closures last months to up to a year. And I can tell by the thickness and quality of this closure that she ain't lying. There is one thing that's kind of a downside of the hair, but this is all my fault. This is nothing to do with the hair or the company. It was my fault. After washing the hair, I did notice a little heat damage, but I installed the hair around the holiday times, around Christmas. And, you know, I was constantly putting heat in it. I was just doing a lot of stuff around the holidays, Christmas time, taking pictures, doing videos, just a whole bunch of stuff around that time. Then New Year's came. I was just putting a lot of heat back to back to back in my hair. And I think I paid for it. Like, I washed my hair and I just didn't think the closure snapped back to its original curl pattern, which kind of sucks because that's the part in the front. The bundles, they have you can still see the body wave texture to it, but I feel like maybe since I was putting all that heat in it, maybe I got a little heat damage in it too. But yeah, that's completely my fault. I wasn't using a heat protectant, so that could be another issue. Maybe next time or going forward, I will be using a heat protectant. I wasn't gonna curl my hair for this video. I was gonna show you the natural body wave texture, but I'm like, let me spice it up a little bit. So I put a little wand curls in my hair. Besides all that one negative aspect of the hair, this hair is amazing. and I would recommend it to anybody. I will be purchasing more hair from this company. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. I would recommend this hair to anybody, and I can't say that enough. I love this hair. Love the company. I got really fast shipping. Like you saw in my last video, I didn't have to talk to customer service because nothing went wrong in the process of getting the hair. So everything was perfect, and I have nothing bad to say. But I'm gonna stop rambling now. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.